Okay, man. Let me introduce you to my little friends. Oh, yeah. Hey, guys, BigDaddyHoffman1911 coming to you tonight with some of my favorite little plinking handguns. Yeah. Nothing like being out on the range, slapping a little steel and doing a little plinking. Even got me a knife out here tonight. Now this bad boy is a zombie knife. Ooh. Yeah. I'll do a video on this one. Very nice. Let me get these things up a little closer where you can see what I've got here. Let's do it. Alright guys, what you got right there is a 4570. And right there is a Magnum Research 10-inch barrel single action revolver. Yeah, you'll be seeing this one in the video real soon. Alright, next up we got the Smith & Wesson 460 ES. Yeah. And that's a bear killer right there. Alright, moving right along. We got the Ruger Super Redhawk. And this one is 454 Casull. That's a little hand cannon. There's your bullets right there. And of course you've seen the 50 cal Magnum Research, made in the USA, and it's 50 AE. Yeah, I've got several videos out on that one. And then the little Derringer I hadn't shot yet. It shoots to 45-70 round, 45 Colt, and 410. And now we'll get to this other big boy right here. Look at that, would you? Sweet revolver hand cannon pie. That is a Smith & Wesson 500. Yeah, it's a bad boy right there. So that's pretty cool. Just some little plinkers there. Even got my Gill Hill Bowie knife. I think that's what you call it. I have never done a knife review, but I'm getting ready to. Yeah, I like the looks of that. A great zombie killer. Alright guys, this is the one I'll do a review on next. And hopefully y'all be able to shoot this bad boy. I do have some videos out on the Smith & Wesson 460. Please check those out. And I have a couple here on the Super Redhawk Alaskan, which I love that revolver as well. Several videos out on the Desert Eagle 50 cal, and I promise to dual wield these things. So we'll see if I can pull that off. And the one I showed the other day, the little Derringer 4570, haven't shot it yet. Hope it doesn't break my wrist. But we'll see. We'll see about that. And I do have, I know, at least one video or two on the Smith & Wesson 500. Yes, indeed. I'm liking these little plinkers. I think they'll get the job done when it comes to killing zombies. What do you think? Yeah. Also wanted to do a little bullet comparison here. The first one we got on the table is a 4570. The next one's the 460 Smith & Wesson Magnum. The next one is the 454 Casull, and the next one is the 50 cal A&E, the Desert Eagle. You can see the size difference. Pretty good bit of size there. Good little plinking rounds. Okay, You've seen some of my little smaller revolvers here. Yeah. Big Daddy likes them with a little kick. I think you all know that by now. I just hope my likes don't outweigh my ability to shoot them. Guys, just a little fun video, just showing a few of my larger revolvers and the pistols and a little Derringer here. And please check the videos out. You can go to my 305 videos there and punch in the search. And like if you want to see the Redhawk, the Super Redhawk, or the Smith & Wesson 500, you'll be able to pull those up. The Desert Eagle you'll be able to pull up, and the Smith & Wesson 500. Don't have anything but a review up on the Derringer, like I stated before, and this will be my next video, as I said in the last video. But I just got to playing around here tonight and want to have a little fun, and I got the revolvers out of the safe and started looking at them, and got my little zombie knife here ready for tonight. Go in and get little Devil Dog Jack, and we're gonna go up and tear up some zombies for this thing. That's right, Big Daddy will get a zombie. Oh yeah, I like that. I don't know why I like that knife so much. Found it in a gun show here about a month ago. Sweet. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and remember, as always, Big Daddy loves you. Hoorah. Have a great day. See ya.